Trying to chase your desires? What if the only thing standing between you and the life of your dreams is the frequency you're broadcasting? Today, we are opening the real, unfiltered truth about the law of attraction and exactly how you can use it to manifest anything you want. Let's clear the air right away first. Most people think manifestation is just about positive thinking or staring at a vision board while repeating positive statements all through the day. But the universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are at an energetic level. Think of your mind as a radio transmitter. If you want to listen to a specific station, let's call it abundance, you cannot tune into a frequency of scarcity and expect the music to change. Your dominant thoughts and subconscious beliefs are the real frequency that are manifesting even the things you don't want in your life. Here is the part that most manifestation guides leave out: the gap between your conscious desire and your subconscious reality. You might consciously tell yourself, I am wealthy, but deep inside, your subconscious might be harboring doubts or feelings of lack. You repeat positive thought, I am abundant all day, but your feelings are not changing. Why? Because the subconscious mind is stuck to the past. It is continually replaying memories of the past. The subconscious mind controls over 90% of your actions and energetic output. It always wins, remember, when there is a mismatch. To manifest effectively and powerfully, you must align your internal world with your external desire. True manifestation begins with the inner realization of your own non-negotiable worth. You do not attract what you want. You attract what you feel you deserve. Let's now break down the exact step-by-step process to manifest your goals, starting today. Step 1. The clarity of your end result. Define exactly what you want. And not just that, keep focusing on the feeling of having it, not the lack of it. Don't say, I want to be free of stress, or I am stress-free. Say, I am grateful I am experiencing complete peace and vibrant energy. This means you need to form a powerful statement about the very thing that you desire. Describe it in a line or two as if you're already enjoying the experience of having it. When you start using such a powerful statement, that is when the subconscious mind begins to challenge it with a past memory. Now, when this particular statement also includes some positive words like I am happy, I am grateful, I am blessed, the subconscious mind starts to pick up the signal of already having it. It starts to build positive pictures around it. Step 2, subconscious alignment. Reprogram your mind during important states. The moment right before you drift off to sleep at night, that is when the mind is very open to programming. Do not miss this time of the day. Replace anxiety with gratitude for what is already on its way. Smile as you repeat the same statement, I am so grateful I am experiencing complete peace. You may have a statement of your choice which describes the goal that you want to manifest. But when you smile and say that I'm grateful for having this, right before you sleep at night, you are sending a powerful signal to your body that you are already living this reality. The body now accepts this signal. All through the night, the mind will engage with important pictures that suggest you already have it. Step 3. Detach from the how. Surrender the timeline. When you constantly worry about how it will happen or encourage thoughts of, I don't know, I wish I get this, but I'm not sure. I don't know if it's going to happen today. Can someone please help me with when I can have this? These are thoughts about how things will happen, and that's not our domain. The how is not what we need to be worried about. You introduce more resistance and doubt when you keep saying or thinking about when it is going to happen. Trust the process. Act as if it is already done. Do not ask people or look for assurances. When you follow these exact 3 steps, manifestation will be a byproduct of your thoughts, feelings, and vibration. When you truly master this, your entire energy and presence shift. You stop reacting to daily friction. You detach from low vibration gossip. You start drawing in people and opportunities that match your new self-assuredness. The law of attraction, my dear friends, is not magic. It is the discipline of mindset transformation and maintaining an unwavering inner standard. Make sure you have a list of practices you're doing daily, like journaling, writing about your goal statements, repeating them on a daily basis, even practicing gratitude or visualizing a positive outcome. Not a single day must go by without doing the practices. Structure and routine make manifestation very, very powerful. Take this realization with you today. You are the author of your life because you are the creator of your energetic frequency. It's okay to start small, but it's important to stay consistent with your daily rituals. Start today and watch how your reality shifts to match your inner world. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.
If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.